So I love the fact that the car is comfortable, it's compact, so it kind of gives you that feeling that you're with someone and there's nothing else around you. So the best part of the day was actually showing my dad the new Mini Cooper JCW and then taking him definitely to Guppy. Since we were born, he's always been the absolute rock of our family. Be it any small need that we might have, it has never gone unfulfilled. I love the fact that the cabin is so well insulated, so the conversations were, not interrupted by tire noise, by outside traffic noise. So overall, a fantastic experience.
It's a memorable moment because it's something that you've always wanted to sort of look at and see, and up close it was really surpassed most of our expectations.
It was a lot of fun. We drove around. It was such a great car to have, and the whole little buttons everywhere were really fun to explore. We had a lovely day driving around Delhi with Mini and had a lovely lunch at Guppy. So yeah, it was a good Sunday. We had good weather, good light, and it was really fun.